Is that cool?
Did you just say that?
Folktail?
Did you just ask me what a folktale is?
Yeah.
What's wrong with you?
I'm sorry, I don't know what a folktale is.
Everybody learns that.
Folktale, Molly.
Well, that's your mom. Oh, snap.
No, no. Oh, I'm penguin.
No, I'm not good at that. Hey, Molly, pick up Guess whose mom goes to college?
Mine.
Becca's.
Guess what?
What?
Your mom.
Ew!
Your mom farts.
Mom's gonna fart in your mom's face.
Yeah.
My mom's
Yeah.
gonna fart on your mom's
Yeah.
face. Which is yeah.
No, my mom's in San Diego.
So what's like she's gonna be there forever?
But she's not coming over here forever.
So
Huh?
it just called a saying, Mom. So we almost gone.
She's not very bright.
Right? You're not
Your light bulb.
You're not bright.
Oh, that's like your light bulb. What was that?
I'm not bright like her light bulb. And it's super bright.
No, it isn't.
No.
Look, it doesn't do much difference there, Becca.
Yeah, stupid butt.
Calling.
Someone's calling.
Someone's calling.
From Mall. Molly, why'd you call me?
I didn't.
You did.
No.
You just called me.
Liar.
Sat on it and called her. Huh?
You were calling me, weren't you?
No, I swear on my life I didn't do it on purpose. Are you calling me? If you are, I'll slap you. Ignore.
I'm roaming in here. Are you still filming? Oh my gosh! No one told me.
What?
She has red hair. Red. Red. I said she had red hair.
Ignore that.
Oh my gosh.
You said the gosh word in vain.
Find it. Oh my god.
You said the God word in vain.
Oh my goodness.
You said the
Oh my Becca.
What?
You said Becca's
This is
name.
underwear.
Oh, you can't say Becca anymore.
This is Becca's dirty underwear.
That's your ew, ew, it's dirty underwear. It's dirty underwear. I know, but you can't pick up your underwear, Becca. Ew.
This is your swimsuit. This is
This is your underwear. Your dirty underwear. Ew. I'm not. Ew, look at her dirty underwear.
Why would my dirty underwear be in Joey's?
She took it